is your hip pain come from your back or your hip, and how to tell? What are some of the signs that your hip pain may be coming from your back?
Sure.
You feel the pain across the low back into the buttock. If you feel it here and then going into the butt, hip pain is worse with sitting or bending. If your hip pain improves with standing or walking, if you have pain in the back at the same side as the pain in the hip, then it's a little suspect. If coughing or sneezing increases your hip or back pain, that's a pretty good sign of sciatica. If you have an area of numbness or tingling on the same side as the hip, signs that it is hip pain. You have pain in the groin, only in the groin or on the side of the hip. You want
that area there, here.
Squatting increases your hip pain. If it is worse with standing or walking, especially if you walk with a limp, it might be a hip problem. With good posture first, pull up on the bottom of the chair.
Right here.
And that's going to put some pressure to the back. And if that makes your pain worse, again, there's some back issues going on.
See how far the knee goes down. If that one goes that far and this one only goes this far, that's looking at the hip pretty specifically.
Yeah. See how high it goes up? Yep, exactly. Use your hands. You sit up on a bench or something that were a little higher so your feet are dangling.
Yep.
And you're going to measure you're keeping your butt down. You're going to see how far your leg goes out like this.
Yeah, so
let's say it only goes that far.
I can hardly get my fist and a hand in there, but over here, I can get 2 or 3 hands.
That's probably one of the #1 signs it's a hip arthritis problem. It's actually a part of a series of videos on hip pain. So go to bobandbrad.com, go to the program section, look for the hip pain program.